Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now, here you can find the option of Tools button. To edit the photo, simply tap on it. Then here you can find the crop option at the first one, simply select it. Then here you can crop the photo however you like to crop it. Now grab the corners just like this and then simply crop it just like this. And here you can also find the options that you can crop the photo. You can choose from one of these. And that's it. Then simply tap onto the check mark. Now you can see the photo has been cropped. And that's it. This is how you can crop an image in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.